everyone, today we are fixing the Windows 11 network problems quickly. No Wi-Fi, no internet, limited connection or random disconnects. So let's just fix it in just some minutes. Go to Windows plus R and type in services.msc and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you can restart these services. Go over and type in W, and within W search for WLAN, auto config, this one right here, back click on it, select the option of restart for this one right here. Apart from that, you can look out for network connection, go to N section and find network connections, back click on it, select the option for restart and restart this service right here. Also for DHCP client, find DHCP client, back click on it, select the option restart for this one as well. And the next one is DNS client as well. Back click on it, select the option of restart for this one as well. Apart from that, you can reset your network adapter. So press Windows plus X and go to your devices manager, hit enter. And once you go to your devices manager, you can expand network adapters. So find the option for network adapters, expand it up, find your current network adapter, back click on it, select the option of disable and wait for 5 seconds, and again back click on it and select the option of enable once it is confirmed. And that should do it. Apart from that, you can try forgetting the Wi-Fi and try connecting it to once again reconnect and enter your password again, and that should also do it. Also, you can look out for network troubleshooters. So go to settings for that, and within settings you can search for Bluetooth and devices and look out for network troubleshoot, or directly search for network troubleshoot settings and look out for your other troubleshooters and look out for network and internet and run the troubleshooter for network and internet. And that's it. Those are some of the solutions you can probably follow up to fix that issue. And also check your airplane mode and power saving mode also, and make sure both of them are turned off, and that should probably fix the network issue quickly. So be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.